Hello everyone, my name is Yaqing Gao. Today I will talk about the 5O of inventory costing. The inventory costing demonstrates the manner in which inventory and the cost of goods sold are recorded under a perpetual system. When a sale is made, the cost of goods sold is increased and the inventory is decreased. There are 4 inventory costing methods. Companies can use one of the following inventory costing methods. The first one is specific identification. Second one is first in, first out, 5O. Then last in, first out, LIFO. And the last one is moving average. The first in, first out method calculates the cost of the goods sold based on the assumption that the first unit of inventory available for sales is the first unit sold. In other words, inventory is assumed to be sold in the order that it is purchased. Let's see a picture to help us understand. In this picture, the order of input is blue, green, orange. When we use 5O method, the order of sold must be same with the input. The order of output is also blue, green, orange. Let's see an example. Milk. When we buy milk in any market, they demonstrate the earlier date first and the older date last. How can companies account inventory costing by 5O? Let's see an example. In this company, they have certain beginning inventory which price is $8. On June 7, they purchased 22 goods and the price increased to $9.50 for each. Additionally, they sell 20 units on June 12. For 5O, they sell the earlier inventory first. Therefore, they sell the product with $8 price first. After that, the price of the earlier date is not enough, so they sell the product with the $9.50 price. Inventory on hand is 15 units with $9.50. So we can see the ending inventory of the 5O is high and the cost of the goods sold is 6. There are tables to compare ending inventory and the cost of the goods sold. The ending inventory of 5O is highest and the cost of sold is lowest. Companies can choose which inventory costing method is better for them. Thank you for watching my screen card. I hope you can learn something today.